So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Stumble Guys on mobile with a controller. So using a controller on mobile guys, it's similar on any version of that application, but I will show you through here and I'll explain how it works on a mobile device. So one difference between Stumble Guys on the web version, you will need to manually go to your settings and set up your Bluetooth device. Now, once you do that, you can just use a controller. So if you're using, let's say, a PS5 controller, I'll just show you the settings for that. So you'll need to go to settings. You can see the input on here and you can see controller icons. If you're linked with a controller that's wireless, and usually if you're using it on a mobile device, that's how it works, you will need to just switch it on and then go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, so mobile device you're using, and you will need to link it to that controller. After that, if you open up the app, it's going to be working like this. Just make sure the controller, you can see controller bindings, keyboard bindings, so you can click on this. You can see controller bindings, so how it will look for primary, secondary, and stuff like that. So you can use it for Xbox, PS4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, native, generic, and that's a full circle. So you can do that. You can even switch some of the controller and mouse sensitivity you're using, and you can do that the same way on your mobile device. Just make sure that your Bluetooth is working, and then automatically it will be linked and you can use your controller and Stumble Guys. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.